if someone was going to get started with AI, where would you kind of point them in terms of the best use case, maybe as like dipping the toe in the water?
I would say find somebody who's using it already and maybe building some things. Obviously, people are aware of Chip if they're watching this. Like, this is a great place to do some learning. I opened up a free account with Chip, and you're doing a good job of educating people on how. So find something like that. What I'd point people to is you and Chip, because that's what I know. I built my first custom GPT because I had coffee with a 24-year-old and took an hour and just asked them, how do you do this? So do stuff like that and then have fun and try. To me, it's just like, oh, the ability to experiment and try stuff and see what happens is just fun. And the best use cases for me are speeding up the content creation as a solopreneur who has to wear all the hats. For me, let people know I actually exist. So I've got to be creating content that engages with the people I want to know I exist. And this has made it very possible and easy for me to do that on a weekly, regular basis and not be overwhelmed.